Hello and welcome to Unit 1. You are about to learn French without any memorization, without writing anything down, and without any homework. The key is to relax and let the language come to you. You'll be surprised to find out that you already know a great deal of French. There are hundreds of words that are the same or very similar in both English and French. For example, words like possible, comfortable, important, reservation, communication. These words are your entry point into the language. We will use them to build sentences right away. No pressure. Just listen and respond when you feel ready. The French word for possible is almost the same. Listen. Possible. Can you say that? Possible.
Good. Now to say it is in French, you say c'est. It sounds like the English word say. C'est. So, how would you say it's possible?
C'est possible.
Very good.
C'est possible. Now, to make a sentence negative in French, you put two words around the verb, ne before and pas after. For now, just think of it as a not sandwich. So, it is not becomes ce n'est pas. Listen again. Ce n'est pas. How would you say it is not possible?
Ce n'est pas possible. Excellent. Now, the words for me in French are pour moi. Moi. M-O-I. Moi. Say that. Pour moi.
It's possible for me.
C'est possible pour moi. And now the negative. It's not possible for me.
Ce n'est pas possible. Fantastic. Let's take another one of those similar words. Important. In French, it's important. The T is silent. Important. How would you say it is important? It is important for me.
C'est important pour moi. And finally, the negative. It is not important for me.
Ce n'est pas important pour moi.
Now let's practice. I'll say a sentence in English and you say it in French. Then I'll give you the correct answer. It's possible for me.
C'est possible pour moi.
It's not important.
Ce n'est pas important.
It's important for me.
C'est important pour moi.
It's not possible for me.
Ce n'est pas possible pour moi.
It's important.
C'est important.
It's not important for me.
Ce n'est pas important pour moi.
It's possible.
C'est possible.
And that's the end of our first unit. You've learned how to build real, grammatically correct sentences in French. When you're ready, continue to Unit 2. Well done, and see you in the next lesson.